that one in there. How bad that little car going to do when you start getting it to seal?
I think before I get about 65, 70 through here.
For real?
Yeah, but it's only single, right? It ain't shifting to second. Once I adjust it and get it right, it'll run. That's with no nitrous. With nitrous, this is...
Oh, you put nitrous on that?
Yeah, I got it. I just don't have it on there right now.
Are you serious?
I don't need it yet. Oh, shit! That's that motherfucking power. I'm still gonna run it, bitch. Move that wheel out the way. This for you, Monster Mod. Still came through that motherfucker. Three-legging it. So after I go do this operation, I hope you bring that fifth scale when you come out here.